what is a quality. Okay, probably we might know or without even knowing that we are looking for quality in each and everything that we do in the day-to-day activities. Say quality are a set of characteristics of a product or it could be of a service. Okay, that should please the customer or that should satisfy a customer. That's what is called as a quality. Okay, the total set of characteristics of a product or service that affects its ability to satisfy the customer's implied need. So that means whatever we need as a customer, whatever product or service that we are taking, that should meet those quality requirements. Okay, so it might depend from person to person. Okay, then we have to know what is a quality system. Whenever we talk about the term system meaning it's kind of a flow or the series of activities that we do to bring about a quality. Okay, like it could be like if I have to bring in quality, I am going to follow a particular procedure in a standard way which will assure that whatever I am doing is of a particular quality. Okay, these are the organizational structure, especially the procedures, the processes that we do, okay, and resources that we use to implement the quality management. Okay, then we are going to talk about the definition. Quality assurance, you might be aware what is quality assurance. Quality assurance, this is as per the ICH, so you have to write the same words. Okay, so all those planned and systemic actions that are established to ensure what things that the trial is conducted properly first. So once we conduct the trial, what we get is the data. So we have to generate the data in a proper manner. Once we have the data with us, we have to record the same thing on where? The CRF, correct? The clinical case report forms. Then once we record it, what happens? We are going to ultimately do the analysis and ultimately report it. Okay? So all those things should be done in accordance with the principles. Two principles, especially your GCP and your regulatory